Morning guys, July 5th, 2023. This one I got a call from a customer I worked for him before. I know he's got a Carrier, an old Carrier R22 AC system over there, and he's from West Virginia or somewhere down there, and his sister's up here managing the house for him, and the tenant had called and the AC's not working. I just talked to the tenant now, and he says that the fan has been working inside and they changed the air filter inside, but the outside unit is not working. So I'm not sure what I did last time I was there. I think I might have changed the wire or maybe put a capacitor on there, but I'm not sure. That's been I think it might have been a couple of years ago. But anyway, it's not working, so we'll go over there and see if we can figure out what's ailing this thing and get it up and running for him. It's going to be almost 90 today, so I tried going over there on July 3rd, which was before the 4th, and they weren't going to be home till after 4 or something, so I said, well, it's going to have to be on the 5th then. I called this morning, they weren't around. I called the lady back, and she gave me another number to call, and he's there now, so we'll go over there and see if we can find out what the problem is and fix it. Never a dull moment, all I can say. Never a dull moment.
Alright, thank you.
What do you want it set for, the temperature?
Well, they say you can't go too low, right?
Well, you got it at 77, which is pretty high.
Yeah, maybe 70?
I would say.
That's a good one if that's possible.
It's got a programmable thing.
Yeah,
I mean,
70 would be awesome. And our son stays down here.
Doesn't seem to want to go any lower. Kind of weird.
Yeah, it gets hot at night. I'll come down and it'll be off at nighttime.
Yeah, I don't know why I don't want to go down any lower. Okay, there it is. 72 is fine. 72, and we'll push hold.
Is that better, you think?
That's 72. I was looking at the wrong thing there, so we'll be alright. Let's see if it's working. See, the fan's working inside. Fan's running. You got a new filter in it. Carrier. Unbelievable. It is possible that this thermostat wasn't on right, because you did say it was off a little bit. It is. I'm going to check it while I'm here.
Okay.
Crazy hot here. Might be low on charge. Maybe not. King bells. Yeah, it might be low. It's definitely an R22 unit for sure. I can see our superheat at 16, our suction at 74. This is R22. This is fine. Subcooling's a little high. Coil needs a cleaning. If anything, it's a little overcharged. Our suction at 40, 74 is fine. That's fine. And our superheat at 13. We're gonna leave it right there. What you're going to do is you're going to shut these, you're going to turn this back it all the way out, now shut off the port. Back it all the way out, that shuts off the port. And you can take off your gauges. how you work them kink valves. When I came here, she said the thermostat wasn't on right. That's what the problem was. She hit the thermostat and it wasn't working. Fucking nutty. We'll probably be walking by and hit the thermostat. Easy one. Easy's good. When I came here, she said the thermostat was popped off a little bit. I pushed it, knocked it back in place. It's an easy one, Mama. Yeah, it's just old. She's an old crusty beast. Go around and I'll see if I could rinse off the thing the best I can. Pressure's kind of shitty here. It's an older unit, I mean, do the best you can with it. You're never going to be 100%. Alright, so give it a good douching. Give it a good douche.
Russell's Mills Road.
Alright guys, they just left that job, and when I went there, the lady said the thermostat wasn't quite on properly. And I clicked it into place, and that's probably what happened. The fan was running, but the outside unit wasn't running. So she's got 3 boys, and they play rough at times, so they might have been fighting or slammed each other into the thermostat there and knocked it off. So an easy fix. I did wash the coil. I did check the charge. Seems a little overcharged to me, if anything, but we'll leave it alone. Been running fine, leave it alone.